Got it. You good, partner? Got a partner.
My knee. Oh, I'm good. Just...
Yep.
I'm in.
I sure do.
Here. You want me to use my hat? You can swim?
Sure can. All right. You all right?
Yeah.
You got shoes?
I'm about to sit down to a nice meal and I get a call and this shit goes down.
Yeah, sorry about that. The
Okay,
weapons,
Harry?
yeah, these are fully weapons.
It's 5 inches
Good
from
eye,
the
good eye.
floor. If you take it all out, you better.
So we got called for suspicious activity, possible fencing operation. Downstairs, there is probably 150 really expensive. I'll show you. Want to see it?
Sure.
What the?
What's her name? You want out of the cuffs?
I know.
What's her
I'm
name?
gonna give you the owner's name
Well,
out
then-
of the cuffs.
then-
That is. You are not. This is not okay. What are you guys doing?